Hi everyone, this is going to be a very brief video lecture on details and description, which is really one of the first skills that we are going to start practicing this semester. So the importance of details and description serve many functions. First, they give your writing a lot of life, a lot of specificity, you know what I'm trying to say, specificity, that's what I'm trying to say. It creates a clearer image, it hooks and entertains the reader, sensory details, things that the reader can see, hear, smell, touch, whatever. It can trigger emotions and memories, and it manipulates the reader's perception. For example, smell is our sense that is most linked to memory, and often the most linked to powerful emotions. So using sensory details in your writing will create an experience for the reader, but specific details actually also help establish your credibility and your authority. By choosing certain details, certain facts, certain ideas, certain images, certain descriptions to put into your writing, it not only sort of focuses the reader's eye to certain areas, but it also shows that you as the writer are able to manage, an overwhelming number of details, but you're choosing these for a specific reason. And that specific reason is because you believe those are important for the reader. Also, you shouldn't repeat specific details and description unless it's for a very clear reason, unless it's important for you to redirect the reader's attention back to this area. I was going to, when we do this in class, I read it's like a page and a half from this one novel, and then we discuss sort of the images and details that stand out. That book is in my office at work. I don't have it here, so we're probably going to do that on Friday. But the reason why we're focusing on this right now is for Monday you're going to have another short homework assignment, like 1 to 2 pages, 2 pages max. I call it the nature walk writing assignment. You don't actually have to go outside and go for a walk, but the real purpose of this assignment is for you to go for a walk in a building, go for a walk outside, and you're going to then recreate that experience for the reader. You're going to be it's going to be experiential. It's going to be there's definitely going to be a narrative to it. It's going to have a beginning, middle, and end. You leave your dorm, you walk here, you walk there, you end up here. But the goal is for you to use specific details in description, specific images, specific sensory details to create an experience for the reader so that we can sort of feel and see and hear, smell, whatever, this brief journey that you go on. So we're going to talk about that more on Friday, but it's important for us to get practice in using details and description for specific effects, for specific reasons. So that's where we're going right now. We'll talk about this more on Friday, but I just want to get sort of the introductory stuff done before Friday's class. And that's it for now for details and description.